Hi there. If creating a lead magnet has ever felt overwhelming, you're drowning in all the tool choices out there. It takes forever to finish, and you still get zero signups. This video will completely change that. I'm about to show you how my Swift three-step formula can take you from idea to a finished client attracting lead magnet quickly. If we haven't met yet, I'm Madeleine and I help coaches and service based entrepreneurs build lead magnet systems that consistently attract ideal prospects without the need for expensive ads or complicated tech. A little later in this video, I'll share how one piece of my beta system helped a life coach friend start bringing in qualified leads on autopilot. If you are tired of half finished PDFs sitting in your drafts folder or freebies no one ever downloads, this is for you. Stick with me because by the end you'll walk away with my complete Swift lead magnet three step formula. And it's not just theory, but a practical step by step framework you can start implementing today. And later on in this video, I will do a quick demo of the powerful AI tool I'm currently using to create my lead magnets quickly. Right, so let's move on to the challenges you might be facing. So, most lead magnets fail because they are overcomplicated or they don't solve the audience's immediate pains. And even if you get your lead magnet all pretty, it might not be effective. The three biggest struggles I see coaches facing are first of all, topic paralysis. You're staring at a blank page, wondering, what do I even offer? And you start overthinking. And with that, personally, I can totally identify. Next, format confusion. Should it be a PDF, a video, and your mind is spinning, right? Then the next struggle is time drain and design overwhelm. You are juggling endless tools and your launch gets delayed. Alright, so let's get to the crux of the matter and dive into the formula for swift lead magnet creation. So, step one of the formula solves topic paralysis. And here's the secret, you don't start with a blank page, you mine your existing expertise for quick wins. And don't worry, if you get a little bit lost in the video, I have shared a link of the Swift Lead Magnet 3-step formula in the description of this video. In the next video, we'll go a bit deeper on this one, but it's important to know that your lead magnet should be anchored to your main service. It should deliver quick results and build trust. Examples are a productivity coach that gives out a daily energy audit checklist. Another example, a goal achievement coach hands out a 90-day goal breakthrough planner. The magic is choosing something that gives an immediate win while naturally leading your audience towards your main offer. Step 2 of the formula eliminates format confusion. It's important to remember that your audience doesn't need flashy design. They need clarity and speed. The formats that consistently convert according to the latest sources are checklists, templates, and quizzes. We will go deeper in an upcoming video, but for now, make sure Your lead magnet is fast to create for you, so it doesn't steal your time. And very important to remember that it is easy to use and consume for your ideal client profile. As you use a format that your audience finds irresistible, it will naturally lead to higher engagements and opt ins. So, step 3 solves the time drain problem. And this is where most coaches get stuck, the actual creation of your lead magnet. But here's the game changer. You no longer need to spend hours in design tools, as there are a lot of powerful AI tools out there. I personally use LeadCreator AI, and full disclosure, I'm an affiliate partner with them, but I do believe in the product as well in the founder's integrity. So I can confidently share with you this powerful tool. So let me give you a quick demo on how to create a lead magnet quickly using LeadCreator. Let's dive in. Right, so here we are on LeadCreator's screen. First, we're going to create a lead magnet. We will choose a topic. You can read more here. You can also generate from your YouTube video, blog post, or you can skip and create a blank template as well. So, for example, we're just going to do a fast one. So, example, my topic is creating a lead magnet quickly. Oops, using AI. All right. Then we go to next, and then you choose how many words you want your lead magnet to have, the length. And next, you can choose an AI persona, and then you can choose any title you want to include in your lead magnet. The AI gives you some choices, so let's just choose anyone for now. Let's use Swift and Simple. Right. I choose this one. Then next. All right, now you can choose a subheading that you want to include. So let's choose finding the right AI tool without the circus. All right, that sounds like a interesting subheading. All right, so next. Then, if you have any additional information that you would like to include, and you can read this hot tip. So, if there's a specific something that you would even like to exclude, for example, if you're writing about losing weight, but you don't want to include the mention of keto diet, this is where you'll do it. Then next. So here you will have suggested content. You can review and customize it for each of the selected subheadings, and you can choose up to 2 main focus subheadings. Okay, you can go through this and then you can choose this one for your main focus. Click next, and now you can either go and review and edit it, or you can go ahead and create your lead magnet. All right, so it will take some time. The estimated time is about 3 minutes. All right, so I'll just let it do its thing. Fantastic. Here you've got your lead magnet. You can go through that and make sure this is what you wanted. You can make some changes here. You can insert some additional images, videos, etc. You just have to use that and you can insert, right, and you can make it pretty. All right, so here you've got your email capture where you can actually set up your opt-in form. And here you've got some integration. Say, for example, if you have Go High Level email, or you've got System IO email, or Active Campaign, or any of those, then you can come over here and then you can publish. There you go. And there your lead magnet is published and ready to be shared. You can view it over here. can see this the URL. You can also give it a better URL, and there you go. All right, so I went a little bit deeper into another video where I've actually demoed LeadCreator as well and reviewed it. I will also leave the link to that YouTube video in the description of this one. You can go and check it out. And if you don't use LeadCreator or not interested in using it, no problem. There's loads of AI tools out there that can help you with content creation and to speed up the process. Share with us in the comments of this video what is your favorite AI tool for content creation. Now, for full transparency, I'm new to sharing this system publicly, and the Swift Lead Magnet Launcher is just one step within this whole system. This is very much a beta launch. Recently, I encouraged a life coach friend to test a specific piece of the AFTA client attraction system, the Trust Builder page. We took one of the existing tools, turned it into a freebie, and added some focused training. That one step alone started bringing in qualified leads on autopilot. But here's the catch: the Trust Builder page only works if there's a strong lead magnet feeding into it. And that's why getting your Swift lead magnet launcher right is so critical. It acts as a solid bridge. So, what do I mean by bridge? To illustrate, let's use a funnel as example. Step 1: awareness. People discover you. They could do it via a YouTube video you posted, on your social, or even by word of mouth. Then step 2: lead magnet, the bridge. That cross from just found you to giving you permission to connect. And then step 3 and beyond, engagement. Now you nurture and move them naturally to becoming clients. So, on the one side, you got awareness. Someone just discovered you. On the other side is deeper engagement and connection, where you can start nurturing your audience with emails and other resources towards your main offer. Your lead magnet is what gets them across, transforming casual viewers into connected leads. I hope this illustration helped somebody. If it did, please let me know. So, let's get to the next steps. You can download my free lead magnet 3-step formula using the link in the description below. Inside, you'll find examples and a step-by-step walkthrough to follow along as we move through this 4-part series. This was video number 1, and together we're building your fast but effective lead magnet. In the next video, we'll tackle the number 1 thing that keeps most coaches stuck: choosing the right topic, so your ideal clients instantly think, I need this right now. If this video helped you, I'll appreciate it if you hit the like button. And to stay in the loop for future upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. But wait, there's one more thing. I want to invite you to join our brand new Skool community. And let's do this together. You will find the link to our Skool community in the description of this video as well. I look forward to seeing you in there and share more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.